It's March 29th, 2026. I'm up by Patrick Creek Lodge, Highway 199 in Norte County, California. They're going to start a big project on 199 in May. It's supposed to last for a couple of years. They're going to be closing down the road 4 hours a day, and they're going to be blasting up through the canyon where I'm going to drive right now. I'm going to film going up the canyon and then turn around and film coming down. I'm going to stop and fly the drone and see where they're going to blast. This is all the area that burned back in 2023 with the what was the Smith River Complex fire. So they spent millions of dollars building up the cliff where the rocks are and everything, putting netting and everything with helicopters, and now they're going to blast. All right, I'm going to drive up past Patrick Creek. So that's the main part that I'm going to video right there. They're going to be doing other areas also, but I just wanted to get through the canyon there, the gorge. Now I'm going to turn around and come back the other way. All right, here I am going back the way I just came. I'm heading south now on Highway 199. So you can see where it all burned up there a couple years ago, and around this corner they're going to blast, from what I understand, they're going to blast this whole mountainside. It's going to be interesting to see before and after video. Smith River's down there. I think what they're going to end up doing is building out over the river also. There's some areas that they've done that before. So I'm going to fly the drone a little ways. I can't go too far because I'll be around the corner. But I'll get some higher video of what they're going to be taking out. I just flew up there. Boy, it's a big mountain all the way to the top. I don't know how they're gonna blast the bottom without the top coming down on them. It's gonna be a interesting project. All right, now I'm gonna go back through there in a different direction, heading south. That's it.